Hi, this is Pedro Velasco with Roll-2-Roll Technologies. Today we want to show you how to find the IP address for air sensors or waveguide controls that are equipped with the Ethernet IP connectivity option. As an example today, we're going to use the WPS 440IR, which is our most recent additions to the ARRIS WPS sensor lines. And this one has in our router to access the network so that we can monitor this later on. So first, we're going to connect an Ethernet cable to the M12 connector, which is on the side port of the ARRIS WPS 440IR. And then the other side of the connector, we're going to connect it to the router in the RJ45 Ethernet connector jack. Once it is connected, then we go ahead and connect the power to the sensor. And then we verify that the connection is correct by looking at the blinking light on the router. Now, after this has been achieved, then we can go ahead and proceed to a computer to actually go and find out the IP address for this particular sensor. So by default, the router will assign an IP address to the device, and this will be a dynamic IP address. Now, to find the address, you will need to access the internet through any computer from which you will monitor the device. In this case, we search online for anibus.com, and then we look at the support. So we hit the support tab, and then we go to the select your product icon. And from the select your product icon, you go to the Anibus IC icon, and you click on it, and then you go to the Ethernet IP. And here you have a list of software. So you're going to download on the software section the one that says IP configuration utility for module TCP IP configuration. Now, you go through the whole process of downloading this software, but once you download, then you go to your start, you hit your start button on your screen, and just go to the HMS, as you see here, and open that up, and then you see the IP configuration. When you click on it, it will automatically open this window right here. And of course, and sometimes when you're doing the first time, this will not show up, so you hit scan and it will scan for anything that's on the any IP addresses that are available. So in this case, here you have access to your IP address. Okay, so let's say, for example, this is a dynamic address, but you want to establish a static address. So all you have to do is just right-click on the line, and then you'll see the configuration tab. Just hit configuration, and then you can actually set your static IP address on this window right here. So, as we mentioned before, how to find an IP address for one of our sensors or waveguide controls. It's a very simple procedure, as we showed, and we hope that this can be of help to you when you are using our products on your operations. So again, thank you very much, and just keep on looking for our other videos. Thank you.